So second question, fourth part we are doing. So I have already written, see this one, it is angle A is given to us, angle A is 30 degree. We have to prove that sine 2A, it is equals to 2 sine A cos A is equals to 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. See everywhere, wherever we see now this A, we have to substitute as 30. So first part, so part by part, see three parts are there. So part by part, we will solve it and then we'll prove that all the three parts are same. Sine 2A, sine 2 into 30. So sine 60. So sine 60's value is root 3 by 2. So we have already did this part. This also we have done. So 2 sine A cos A. We have just substituted the value of A as 30. 2 into sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 got cancelled. So root 3 by 2. So these two we have got same. Now let's check for the third part. Third part is 2 tan by 1 plus tan square A. It is equals to 2 tan 30. See again, in place of A, we have to substitute its value as 30. So 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30. 2 by root 3 upon 1 plus 3. 1 plus 1 by root 3. 1 by 3. Because it is square. So square when we do, it will become 1 by 3. So after taking LCM of this, I got 2 by root 3 upon 4 by 3. Is this step clear? Or any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now see, when two fractions are there, so same inner ones, they will get multiplied and outer ones, they will get multiplied. So I can write it as 2 into 3. So this with 2 I have to write and root 3 into 4. So can I do any cancellation here?
Yes, ma'am. 2 ones are 2, 3
Yes,
ones are
2 twos are 4.
2 twos are. So any other cancellation? Still I have 3 by 2 root 3. Any other cancellation can I do here? So 3 is what? 3 can we write as root 3 into root 3? Can we write?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1
Yes,
root
ma'am.
3 will cancel with 1 root 3. So now I will be left with root 3 by 2. So this root 3 by 2, this is also root 3 by 2 and this is also root 3 by 2. So all the three parts are equal to each other. Any doubt in this question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So only substitution we have done. So second part I'll do now. Second also has, it has three parts. So three parts they have given. So same way we have to do like we have done this one.
Ma'am, we'll do second one, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You will do yourself. So which part
Yes,
you
ma'am.
want? Which part from this question you want me to do? Total 4 parts are there.
Fourth part, ma'am.
Third part, ma'am.
Third one or fourth? Fourth. Okay, so I'll do fourth one. So any doubts in any part, you can just let me know. Tomorrow I'll take the doubt.
Ma'am, which part is homework, ma'am?
Second and third. First I've done now. So fourth I'm doing. Second question, fourth part. So this sine 3a, it is equals to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Same question we have to show. Show means that we have to show that left hand side it is equals to right hand side. So we'll start from left hand side. So here I have already written it is left side and this is right side. So from left side I'll start. So what is the value of angle A?
30 degrees.
30
degrees.
degrees. 3 into 30. In place of A, we have to substitute its value as 30 degrees. So 3 into 30 is equals to
90.
90.
Sorry, 90, ma'am.
90. So sine 90. What is the value of
Root
sine
3 by 2. Root 3 by 2.
No.
1.
Sine 90.
1.
1. See, it's the last trigonometric standard angle. So 0 to 90 angles we take. So 90 sine 90 is 1. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Now, this we have solved. Left hand side, it is equals to 1. Now, let's check right hand side. So in right hand side also, we just have to substitute the value of A as 30. So 3 into sine, in place of A, I write 30. Again, 4 sine 30. So what is the meaning of this 3, which is just written with the sine?
Cube.
So this cube means whole cube. This cube is with sine, trigonometric ratio. Don't confuse and write it with A. So it is with this cube means whole cube. What is the value of sine 30?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
3 into sine 30's value, we can write it is 1 by 2 minus 4 into sine 30.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Whole cube.
Whole cube. So this we can write 3 into 1 by 2.
3
So
by
this
2.
3 by 2 minus 4 into, what is the cube of 2? Or 1 by 2 we can say.
Ma'am, 1 by 8.
1 by 8.
So can we do any cancellation
1s
here?
are 2s are.
4 1s are
4 1s are 4 2s are.
3 by 2 minus, what should I
1
write?
by 2.
1 by 2. So 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2.
2 by 2.
2 by 2.
2 by 2 is equal to 1.
We can cancel and it will be equals to 1. So both right hand side is equals to, both the sides are equal. So we can write hence proved or hence verified. Any doubt in this question? Anyone, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So
No, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please move, ma'am, little bit?
2 parts you have to do yourself, that is second and third part. See, all the questions of this exercise are same. You just have to do the substitution of angles. So shall we start fourth question? Third question, sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The third question, you can see it has 2 parts only. Only one part I will do. Now, you tell me which part should I do? First one or second one?
Your wish, ma'am.
You,
Both are same actually.
Select one.
you select.
I select.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's do first only then.
Second is
Yes, so if first I'm doing, that means second is your homework. So in third question, it's given A is equals to B, it is equals to 45. So what is the meaning of A equals to B?
A and B are equal.
Yes, A and B are equal and their value is equals to
45.
45.
45.
45. So sine A minus B, this is our left hand side and it is equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So same way, let's start. Left hand side and right hand side we will solve. Only substitution of angles we have to do. From left hand side I will start. This is left, this is right. So sine A minus B. What is the value of A and B?
45.
45 degrees.
So in place of A also I will write 45. In place of B also I will write 45. So sine 45
Zero.
minus 45. 0.
0. 0.
What is the value of sine 0?
0.
0.
0.
So this is the first standard angle. 0 from 0 itself we start, and first standard angle, its value is also
Lambda.
0. What? So it is 0 now. Let's solve this side.
Ma'am.
Sin A, so sin A is sin 45. Cos B means cos 45 minus cos A means cos 45. With only substitution I am doing in place of A and B, I am just writing 45 because that is the value which they have given. What is the value of sin 45?
Ma'am, 1 by root 2.
1 root 2.
1 by root 2. So together they are written, that means they are getting multiplied. Cos 45
1 by root 2.
1 by
1
root
by
2.
minus cos 45
Root 2.
1 by root 2. Same, just now we have written, again they are getting multiplied,
1
written
by root
together
2.
means they are getting multiplied. So sin 45 also 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2.
Ma'am, we'll get the answer 0, ma'am.
How? First, see, don't directly write it. First do this multiplication.
Ma'am, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2.
1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. See, do
0.
in multiplication, numerator you have to multiply with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 1 into 1, 1, root 2 into root 2 is 2. Same here. So 0. Same thing, left hand side is equals to right hand side, hence prove. That is what we had to show here. Now is trigonometry easy? In previous
Yes, ma'am. Very much easy.
Miss, previous also was easy, miss, but we didn't practice right now, miss. Properly we didn't do that.
But this chapter is really easy if we compare to the previous one.
Yes, ma'am, because they've given the standard angles, so it's easy.
Yes, so only what we are doing in this chapter, only we are just substituting the values. That's all. You just have to learn the values.
Ma'am, even
You have to just remember the standard angles. That's all.
Yes, that's all. If you remember then each and every question, you will be able to do. And now, shall we do fourth question?
Ma'am,
Miss, after this chapter, which miss?
After this chapter, let's see. I was planning for Pythagoras theorem. So I will let you know which one will do.
Ma'am, second and third is homework, ma'am.
Second, what?
Second and third is homework, ma'am.
Yes, only second part is there. See, I'll tell you the homework. First question, first part and third part is the homework. Second question, second and third is homework. Then third question, second part is the homework. You can mark all the parts which are given as homework. Now let's start with the fourth question. Again, same. Shall I erase both?
Yes, ma'am.
So 7 parts are there, 4 parts we'll try to do here. 3 you can do yourself.
Ma'am, can you start with the second part, ma'am?
Okay, I'll start with second. So first you will do yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will start with the second part. This is fourth question or fourth main. Second part I am going to do in fourth main. Value of A is given to us. See, in all the parts, this value only we have to use. Value of A is 30 degrees. So wherever you see 30, wherever you see A, you just have to substitute it as 30 degrees. So second part says that sin A minus cos A whole square. It is equals to 1 minus sin 2A. Just keep on checking my signs and everything.
Impressive.
So we have to show. See, in this question also we have to show. Wherever show is there, we have to prove left hand side equals to right hand side. So this is my individually let's solve. This is left side and that is right side.
Miss, you separated it, you can do, no, miss, no problem. You can
I think it
understand.
will be separately we will do. So left hand side, sine A minus cos A whole square. Can anyone tell me what should we do here?
A minus B whole square.
Yes, very good. So A minus B whole square, because directly we cannot, if you want, see, directly also we can do. A minus B whole square, if you want, that also we can do. Both ways it's possible, because directly why we can do value of A if we substitute. If I do directly, like sine A, it is 30 degrees minus cos A also becomes cos 30. I have the values in the form of numbers. So why to use expansion? Directly, let's substitute the values and write their values. Can we do directly?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, we can do. See, if this value is not there, then that option we can do. But the values are given to us, then make it simple. What is the value of sine 30?
1 by 2.
1 by
1
2.
by 2. And cos 30?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
1 by 4.
No,
1 by
it will be like this 1 minus 3 by 2 we can write. Again, we have to apply this identity only. So what is the identity of A minus B whole square?
A square minus B square plus 2AB.
A minus B square is equals to?
A square plus B square minus
A
2AB.
square
Plus
plus
2AB.
B square minus 2AB.
So in this question, can you tell me the values of A and B?
Now 1 is A.
A is 1, root 3
A root 3 is B.
So just we can follow the identity and we can this you can do just 4 you can write, because this also we have to do its whole square. So this directly 4 you can write, and in numerator we can use this. So A square is 1 square.
1
So I have to tell the
square
value.
plus
Plus
root 3 square
root 3 square
in
minus 2 into 1 into
1
root
into
3.
root.
Yes, so A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B, where A is 1, B is root 3.
1 plus
So
root
1,
3 minus
1 plus
3 ma'am.
square of
1
1
plus
is
3.
1. 1
3.
plus 3 minus
3
2 into 3.
2
2 into root
root
2
3.
root 3 by 4.
4.
So do you see
4
this
plus
like term?
4 minus 2 root 3
Minus
by
2
4.
root 3.
4 minus 2 root 3 by 4.
And 4 cancel.
So only 2 we can take out common, because this is one single term. So 2, if we take out 2 as common, what we are left with inside?
2 minus root
2 minus
3.
root 3.
Minus root 3.
2 minus root 3 by 4. Now this we can cancel. See, don't
Ones are
directly
twos are.
cancel. 2
Ones
ones
are
are
twos are.
2 twos are. So it will be
2 minus root 3
2 minus
2
root 3 by 4.
by 2.
By 2. Yes, 2. So let's solve now. Right hand side. What it is right hand side?
1 minus
1
2.
plus sine 2a.
So A's value we can substitute.
30 degrees.
2 into A.
30 degree.
Yes,
1
so
minus sine 60.
1
60.
minus sine 60. So what is the value of sine 60?
root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. So can we take LCM here? Because this is like 1, we can write 1 by 1.
2 minus root 3 by 2.
Yes, so if we take LCM, so LCM will be 2. Divide LCM by denominators, multiply answer by their multiply numerator with their answer. So 2 divided 1, 2, 2 into 1, 2.
2.
Ma'am, 2 minus root 3.
So which is equals to left hand side. So hence
Side.
prove. So very simple. Shall we do next part?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you skipped
Which are some homework?
Homework,
No, ma'am, the first part you skipped, ma'am.
yes, first part is your homework. Just mark it. 4 parts I'll try to finish here. Remaining you can do. So let's do second part now.
Second, we already did, ma'am.
Oh, third part. Do you want me to do third or third you will do?
Fourth part you do, ma'am.
Third we will do. Third we will.
Okay, fourth I will do now. Shall I just go?
Yes, only, ma'am. Ma'am, if this meeting ends, we should rejoin, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Which we have to rejoin now, ma'am.
Yes. Because I started this little early.
We had to complete this exercise today, ma'am.
We have to complete this by today itself.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Fourth is 1 minus cos 2a, 1 minus cos 2a by sin 2a. It is equals to tan a. Is the statement correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Value of a is 30. Again, we just have to substitute. From left hand side, we can start.
1
1,
minus cos 2 into 30
yes.
by sin 2 into 30.
Yes, so in place of a, we just have substituted its value as 30. So 1 minus
Cos 60.
1 minus cos 60 by sin
Sin 60.
Sin 60. So 2 into 30, 2 into 30, 60. So 1 minus cos 60. What is the value of cos 60?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2
By root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by
3 by 2. So this two fractions are there, but this one we have to solve first. So 1 we can write 1 by 1. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. LCM we have to take. So what will be the LCM?
2, ma'am.
2 by 2.
2. So in numerator, what should I write?
Ma'am, 1. 1, 1, 1.
1. Yes, so it will become like 2 minus 1.
Please write it directly, no, ma'am. No problem.
Okay, I'll write. So it will be 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. So two fractions getting divided.
2 cancel.
So when you write this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So I will be left with 1
by
by
root
2.
3.
So let's solve now. Right hand side. Right hand side is tan A. So that means what should I write?
30. Tan 30.
What is the
It is
value?
1 by root 3, ma'am.
1 by root 3, ma'am.
Which is equals to left hand side, and you can say hence prove. So any doubt till here?
No.
The fourth part we have done, fifth also let's do here. So in fifth part it is 1 plus sin 2a plus cos 2a by sin a plus cos a. It is equals to 2 cos a. 1 plus sin 2a plus cos 2a by sin a plus cos a is equals to 2 cos a. So I'll start from left hand side. We have to show that left hand side is equals to right hand side. So left hand side I'll write 1 plus sin. Value of a we can write. So what is the value of a?
30.
30.
30.
2 into 30 I can write because 2a is there. So 2 into 30 plus cos 2 into
2 into
30.
30.
sin a.
So
Sin
30.
30.
Sin 30 plus cos a
30.
cos 30. So So 1 plus, what should I write? 2 into 30?
60 plus cos
60 plus cos 60.
Yes. So
Sin
sin
30 plus
sin 30 by sin 30 plus cos 30.
plus sin cos.
Yes. Now we can just substitute their values.
A.
1 plus what is the value of sin 60?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Cos 60?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
by 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus
Yes.
1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2.
root 3 by 2.
So two fractions, they are getting divided. So first of all, we just have to solve them. Here, let's write 1 by 1. Now, what will be the LCM?
2 root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2.
So 2 is the LCM here.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear that LCM will be 2?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sachin.
3 by root 3.
2 plus root 3 plus 1.
Root 3
By
plus
2.
1.
Yeah, ma'am. Once if you take for all the three LCM numbers.
Yes.
So
But it will become 2 plus root 3 plus 1.
plus 1.
Directly,
one,
why
ma'am.
can't we write,
This is
ma'am?
what I said.
Directly, what you can write? Directly, you can write 2 plus
LCM
1.
if you are writing, that only, ma'am.
3 you can write. 3 plus root 3. So this 2 and this 2 we can cancel. Now we already know that these 2 will get cancelled.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
we are left with?
3 plus root 3 by 1 plus root 3.
Yes.
Root 3 cancel.
No, this way we cannot cancel. See, this is 2 numbers. We can only cancel when we have one like 3 by 2. So one single numbers are there. This way we cannot cancel. What we can do here, we can take something common. Is this, you feel that something which we can take out common here?
Root 3.
Is there anything?
Root 3.
Root 3 by 1.
So if I take out root 3 common from numerator, so what I will be left with in the brackets?
3 1. 3 plus 1.
3 by 1.
Root 3 plus 1. See, this 3 we can be write like root 3 into root 3. 3 is what? 3 is root 3 into root 3. So when 1 root 3 I am taking it out. So here 1 root 3 I am left with, here nothing is there, so that means 1. Is this step clear?
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
once again, can you repeat it, Miss?
See, here I had 3 plus root 3 upon 1 plus root 3. So here this 3 is what? Root 3 into root 3, it is 3. Isn't it? So to take a common, this 3, I have just written it as root 3 into root 3. Okay. So if I take out this root 3 common, so common means I'm writing it outside. So inside the bracket now I have to write the left, whichever numbers are remaining now. So here 3 is remaining. So I have written this, I have taken out. So here if nothing is there, that means what is there?
1.
1. Because this is root 3 into 1 we can consider. So root 3, if we are writing it outside, inside we are left with now root 3 plus 1. See, if you multiply again, you will get the same thing, 3 plus root 3. 3 into root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 3 into 1, root 3. Now is this step clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here denominator 1 plus root 3, can I write it as root 3 plus 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is addition is always commutative. 1 plus root 3 is also same. Root 3 plus 1 is also same. So root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1, it will get cancelled. So I am left with only root 3.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, if we take root 3 as common in the top, we have to take root 3 common down also, no, ma'am?
No, down root 3 is not there. See, common, only that thing we can take which is present in both. Here, nothing is there in both. Only 1 is there. So 1, if we take out common also, it doesn't make any sense.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Miss, ma'am, before it was 3 plus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. No, ma'am. Ma'am, if we did rationalizing factor, if you didn't get root.
So right hand side you all have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
2 into cos 30, 2 into root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So it is equals to root 3.
Okay,
Both the sides are equal. And he hasn't come, Sachin, he was asking whether we can do rationalization, that also you can do. See, whenever in the denominator you see irrational numbers, you can always do rationalization and do the question. But that step will be little long. Then you have to rationalize, then you have to multiply. Numerator, different numbers are there. So it will become little long. So directly if you take out common, these things will get cancelled. So you will get the answer as root 3.
If it is root 2.
You give 7 sum as homework, ma'am. It's easy, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Sixth we will do now.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Cos A, cos 60 minus A into cos 60 plus A. Shall I write this thing? Into
Yes,
cos 60 plus A, it is equals to cos 3A.
Ma'am, it's like A minus B into A plus B, ma'am.
A minus B into A plus B, but here value of A is given to us. So directly first of all, we just have to substitute the value of A. So left hand side, we have to start first. So 4 into cos A, in place of A, what should I write?
30 degrees.
30.
60 minus 30 into cos 60 plus 30. See, I'm just substituting the value. Now this side is right hand side, so only left hand side first I am solving. 4 into cos 30. First let's solve this. So cos 30, cos 60 minus 30.
30.
30.
60 plus 30.
90.
90.
So 4 into, now all they are written together, that means all these are getting multiplied. Cos 30, what's the value of cos 30?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Again cos 30.
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
And cos 90.
0.
0.
0.
Cos 90 is 0.
0.
So if cos 90, one number is getting multiplied, 0, getting multiplied with other numbers, what will be the answer?
0. 0.
So our left hand side is equals to 0. Let's solve right hand side now. So right hand side is equals to cos 3A. 3 into 30. Because
3 into 30.
A is 30.
Cos
So cos
90
Cos 90. 0.
I'm 0, ma'am.
Equal to.
So both the sides are equal. So hence proof.